So now let's see how we can work around with rulers inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So for that, I need to go around onto View, and over here you can see Rulers is an option. So once you bring in the ruler, you can see that the ruler actually pops up right here just like this. So if I were to go around over here onto View, onto Grid, then you can see that as per the ruler right here, you see the boxes just like this. So this makes it much more easy right here to work around with different elements. So you can go around and let's say draw this box out right here, and you exactly know where in the particular section this box is. So this is what you have, as you can see. If I were to go around over here onto edit, onto preferences right here, then if I were to go around over here onto grids and guides right here, then you can see that this is what you have. So you can go to units and rulers, which is right above it, as you can see, and you can access it from the preferences menu as well. You can change the ruler setting from over here as well. So here you can change the ruler from inches to pixels, as you can see, so that you see the pixel value in the ruler. You can go around, change it to centimeters, change it to millimeters, change it to points, picas, and percentage, as you can see right here. And depending on what you have right here, the ruler changes out. And that is how you can go around and then change around how the ruler works inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.